All right, it's about to rain. Oh, it is raining. And JJ's just enjoying his time outside. I just finished a Starbucks coffee drink and he's using it as a gun somehow. Oh my gosh, he is giving me exercise. What you doing, JJ?
There's some bullets in my gun, but I can shoot the rain.
Putting some bullets in the gun so you can shoot the rain.
Yeah.
All
But
right.
I can't let them get out here.
Okay. Can you show me your gun? Oh my goodness. Can you show me how to shoot it? Oh my. Show me how to shoot it. Whoa. Wow. It's raining, JJ.
I need some more bullets.
Oh, that wind came out of nowhere. I don't like that because we live right under all of these huge
Go away.
trees. You're running away from the rain? Yeah, I can see that. We might need to go back inside. JJ, come on. Okay, let's go inside. Say bye-bye.